Sorry.
Well, I stopped filming and I embraced my knees for impact.
Oh, sorry, Duff.
It's 2 in a row, man. It's a good thing these knees are buckling.
Sorry, Duff.
Oh, that shook me, dude. Yeah, dude.
I don't say anything. I don't know, dude. I don't know why I can't do it right.
What was wrong with that? What was so wrong with that?
This is what it's supposed to look like.
I felt like it looked more like that than the other one did.
Yeah, that's something like that one. One hand drag back too.
No,
Oh, it's stuck. What? Oh. There we go.
Yes. You see that? You see that stuff? 3rd try.
That's so embarrassing.
Yeah.
My foot slipped right here. You alright? Mark on your
Yo! Yeah, boy! Boy, that's my boy!
see that.
Alright, who's gonna back him up? That's what I want to know.
Look at the. Oh, I can't see that.
You gotta back someone in it. And then.
It's like a 6-stair, but still, you guys got crazy shit. Maybe you can probably back through this. You back through something like this in like high school. So like, it should be nothing for him, right?
You did it in high school, AJ, and now. Oh!
Dude, that was so close. That was so close. Oh, that one took me down.
Dude, you alright?
Yeah, my back hurts, but I'm good.
You good?
Just need to chill for a
Did
little
that
bit.
slap your face?
I don't know. That one took me down.
Dude, you alright?
It's still edible. No, man. These are my 2 slices, I guess.
Your cheese, dude!
No!
It's gonna happen. I'll eat it.
Dude, you gotta eat it quick.
Cool, man. It's gonna
Stick it in your mouth, stick it in your mouth.
No! Take the.
Dude, you're tripping all over,
Put it back
man.
in here, man. I'm an idiot. What am I doing? My hand's burned.
Is it really hot?
Stupid. It's not that hot.
You got schooled by pizza oil, man.
Tomatoes, hands, and legs.
It's too cold to fall like that.
Way too cold to fall like that. Be railing on their property?
I don't know. I have a friend that lives here. He does it all the time. I didn't think they'd care.
Well, they called and they don't want you guys doing it just because it ruins the concrete.
Okay.
There's a skate park out west.
It's not open yet. There's still got a fence around it.
Out on Geneva Road.
Oh,
yeah.
That thing's more dangerous. You'd be better off riding in the middle of the street than skating there.
Well, there's other options. I can tell you though, if you go to these apartment complexes or you're on the railing at anywhere, we're gonna get called.
Okay. All right, not a problem.
It does, as you can see, it kind of destroys the concrete, the
I
rails
understand,
and stuff like that. So.
I didn't think they cared because it's on the side. So anyway.
Yeah, like I say, unfortunately, we don't care until we actually get a call. So.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
All right, have a good day. Yep. Can we have one more try? We're filming. We're really close.
I guess if you want one more, and that's it.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Have a good day. One more. Getting to a really good 180 nose. All you need.
That was it!
You alright, man?
Yeah.
Is it bleeding?
I don't think so. It was just
a bonk?
It was just a good hit.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry, man. You stuck it.
Alright. Jeez. That was a wake-up call. Free shirt! Free shirt!
Yeah.
Dude, did you come that was out of control? Let's try. Hey, I got good?
Nick!
Was it? I'd probably like do it in the day.
Oh! That was like a trampoline landing. That was cool. Oh, dude, that was that. Thanks, dude. Nice.
Yes! Da-da-da-da. 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 Doesn't grind.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I'm gonna be so good.
Oh!
I would have ruled that out.
No, no, no.
I can't move my legs, dude.
Get up, please.
Oh.
We need you, Jonathan. We need you.
I would have ruled out.
That's my shit.
I want to get one where I hit the grass and leave a flying, you know?
That rocker.
Yeah, it does.
Gosh, that hurts every time.
Dude, you look so beat up.
That should count. Ow. Dude.
Yes, dude. That was still a good
Can't
stick.
do this one without breaking it. Oh.
You alright, man?
Oh, bonus. Dude, it looks so good.
Let me go home, please. Let me go home. Let me go home. Why didn't it snap, dude? Shoulda.
Have to get it.
Feet were right in the middle. Oh! That's as close as I can get. Can't get any closer.
Dude, you got it.
That looks so good.
That's the best I can do.
Oh.
Dude, just
Yeah, man.